Ma, ¿no has visto mi teléfono?
Mira el video de Facebook.
Ma, ¿no has visto mi teléfono?
No.
Pues le
No,
puedes
no lo he
llamar.
A ver, déjame marcar. No está marcando. No está marcando. No está sonando.
No tiene batería. Did you take my phone? I left it right here. Did you take my phone? Is it under you? Oh no. Alright, I trust that you didn't take it, but if you see it, just tell me where it is, okay? Thank you. Oh my gosh, it's been... I need to check Facebook. Damn it. Maybe it's under here. I've abandoned all hope of ever finding my phone. I'm pretty sure the cat took it or the devil or something. I don't know. Well, I found this little video cam. So this is what I'm recording. So this is my blog on what I'm doing with my life after losing my phone. Everything is gone. Whatever. I'm just gonna hibernate for the next 20 years of my life. Maybe when I find my phone or someone brings me one. I don't know. My life is over. So Susan and I we were having our tea party, and all of a sudden there was a loud bang, and they wanted to come in through the window, and we couldn't let them in. We couldn't let that happen. Susan, where are you, Susan? Take a cheese. That's all we have to eat. Cheese is what we have, and cheese is what we'll eat. Wish me luck. Photo shoot, Susan. Ready? Smile. Oh no! The dragon! Grab the cheese! Oh!
¿Qué estás haciendo? Diana, ¿qué es todo este reguero? ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué te pasa?
Tú tienes mi teléfono, ¿verdad?
Diana.
Cheese, the cheese.